Hi guys and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we will be making an emergency gadget at home. It can act like a lamp, a torch, a fan, a power bank and a lighter. We can charge it using this. We just have to rotate it and it can get charged. So let's see how it is made. For making this I have taken 4 pieces of MDA board. The dimension of this PC are 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Now I will be making a square box out of these pieces. I will stick the pieces using instant glue. So guys, now I have joined all the pieces of MDA board and a box like this is formed. Then I have made a top sheet of this box. This sheet can cover the top layer of the box. Now I have made a rectangular cut here. I will tell the reason in the video. Then I have made a rectangular cut here also. Here I will fix some nichrome wire like this. I will attach it using instant glue and then I will do the wiring. Guys, now I have connected the nichrome wire here using 2 crocodile pins. Then I have made a hole in the body and I will attach a light here. I will bring the wire down from the hole. Then I will use a transparent sheet like this and attach it on the upper side of the light. So now I have attached the light here with the plastic sheet. First of all I have painted this part. Then I have attached the plastic sheet and the light. Here are the wires of the light. These wires are coming out of a hole. Now I have taken the last part, this one of the frame. I have made a hole here. This hole is of the size of this propeller. I will fix this here with the DC motor. This will act as a fan and it will provide cooling to us. Now I have stick the fan here. I have used 3 pieces of MDA board to stick it. Now I will stick it back to the body. Then I have taken one piece of the MDA board and stick the power bank module there. I have first cutted it and then stick the power bank module. Afterwards we will be doing the wiring of all the components. As I have made a rectangular cut here in the video. The reason is that I will fit a geared motor like this here. It will help to generate electricity. Now I will be showing you the voltage it is generating. Here I have made a handle for this. This handle can easily get fitted in the shaft. I have made it using PVC pipe and a plastic pen. I have cutted the pen and fitted it here. Now I will be testing the voltage. So guys, when I will rotate it, current will be generated and we can see the current from here. So guys, you can see that it is generating around 4 volts. So it can easily charge our 3.7 volt battery. So I will be sticking it here and then it can charge our 3.7 volt battery. Now I have taken 3 LEDs, then I have connected all the positive legs together and the negative legs together. Now I have taken a piece of MDA board. I will stick the LEDs here. Then I have taken a transparent sheet and I will cover it. First of all I will connect 2 wires, then I will cover it with a plastic transparent sheet. Here I have stick the transparent sheet and it is looking very nice. Then I have taken a magnet. I will stick it here. I have also done the wiring. I have taken a long wire for this. I will tell the reason in the video. On one side I have connected a metal clip. This can easily attract a magnet. We have given a magnet on our light. This can attract the light and the light will stick here. Then I have made 2 holes here and bring the wires out. I have taken very much long wires. So guys, now on the upper side I have connected 3 switches. I will give the connection of these switches to this light, to the fan, to this. This will work automatically, and for the lighter we will be just have to use this push switch. For its battery I am using a 3.7 volt battery. This is a rechargeable battery and this can be easily charged by this power bank module. Now I will be doing all the connections. Here I have done all the connections. On the switches I have connected all the positive wires and the positive terminal of the battery. When we will on the switch, the lights and the fan will work. I have connected on the geared motor a IN 4007 diode. This diode will help to give the power of the motor to the battery, but the battery power will not come to the motor. Now I will and then I have connected all the negative wires together and then connected them to the negative terminal of the battery. Now I will pack the box. So guys, now our emergency box is ready. Here I have placed the handle. If we will rotate this handle, energy will be generated and this box will get charged. Here I have given a torch. Here I have given a lamp light. Here is the power bank module, and here is a fan, and here I have given nichrome wire. When I will press this switch, the nichrome wire will get heated up and we can burn anything from it. So let's see its testing. Guys, now I will be glowing the light. This switch is for the light. You can see the light is glowing very efficiently and we can see all the stuffs. This light is sufficient for reading a book. It can light a room like a bulb and it is very good. I have given a torch here. Like when we have to find something and this big torch can't come there, we can use this light. We can just pull it and it will come out. Then we can on the switch and this can easily show like something has went under the table. We can easily use this torch and we can take it out. Guys, this gadget can also charge our phone. I have connected the wire to the phone. Now I will insert it inside the power bank module and the phone is getting charged. Like in summers, a lot of light is gone. So I have provided a fan here. This will provide us cooling. When I will on the switch, the fan will get on. This provides a good cooling. This will help us to stay cool in summer. On the top I have provided nichrome wire and a push switch. When I will press this switch, the nichrome wire will get red hot. By this we can burn anything.